Good afternoon, my name's Ben Cooper. I'm just going to do a quick little walk around video now, just showcasing the latest vehicle onto the Blue Auto forecourt. This is a 2014 14 plated Volkswagen Golf 2 litre GT TDI Bluemotion. I think the Volkswagen Golf has probably been one of the most popular vehicles on the English market for many a year now. This vehicle has had one previous owner from new, has covered just under 22,000 miles, comes with a full Volkswagen service history, having had two services carried out by Volkswagen themselves at 12 and 19,000 miles. This vehicle represents absolutely superb economy and efficiency, costing you a mere £30 to tax for a year, whilst averaging over 60 miles to the gallon. It's just quick walk around now around the front of the car. Really good condition, no obvious chips or dents or scuffs. All the alloy wheels tip-top condition again throughout. Hopefully you'll be able to see there just down the sides of the car, no obvious dents or scuffs. That tray is carried around throughout the whole of the car. It's been really well looked after by its one previous private owner. Got the parking sensors there at the front. Show you some of the other specification now on the car. So you've got the rear window tint that looks rather nice. I'm quite a fan of these alloys, they look rather smart. So just going around to the rear of the car now. So you've got the rear parking sensors just located here, and I'll show you what they look like once you're in the car with the engine on. So, other specification on this vehicle includes, obviously we've got the front and rear sensors that have already been mentioned. We've got the part suede sport seats, satellite navigation, Bluetooth, automatic lights, cruise and climate control. It's also got iPod connectivity as well. So key feature of this car will be the boot. So two keys I've got. Press to open the boot, and the Volkswagen badge just pops on in. And you've got a really decent sized boot there, not much of a lip getting into the boot itself. So going around now to the rear of the car, really good cosmetic condition. Hopefully you'll be able to see what I mean. You've got the suede interior there, which is really heavy duty, quite hard wearing. So it acts totally differently to as leather would. It wouldn't scuff or scrape half as easily as what the leather would do, but really good condition internally at the rear of the car, really well maintained. Show you now the front of the vehicle. Again, really nice layout, great finish on the seats, quite a striking dash, but you do generally tend to get that with a Volkswagen. Nice flat bottoms leather steering wheel there, multi-function as you can see. So quite a few numerous buttons there for Bluetooth voice activations. They'll also scroll through your trip computer. And then you've got the progressive cruise control in this car, and your volume control. Just get into the vehicle now. So, as you can see, just under 22,000 miles. Really nice big display unit there, which is high resolution. I'll show you that. So you've also got paddle shifts. You see it says plus there, and a minus in this side. So if you wish, you can drive this vehicle as a manual and change the vehicle and change the gears yourself. So this is the units here. So again, this is nice and easy, all touch screen. Navigation, colour screen, really crisp and clear picture. Obviously this is an automatic gearbox, this one here, it's the DSG, which is a really good automatic, really smooth transition. Got your climate control. Show you some of the rest of the finish now within the car. Got the centre armrest there. Just some additional storage space. Just show you some of the finish there and inside of the car. This is really nice. This kind of honeycomb, chrome fibre sort of look. So you've also got the Volkswagen entertainment system. This is just holds your SD cards, which is all connected to the satellite navigation unit. And this carbon fibre sort of honeycomb look is continued down the inside of the car, down the doors. Should you have any other questions or would like to organise a test drive, please do give us a call. The telephone number's 01825 761 222.